Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you have a toilet bowl that you really don't feel like cleaning that often and you're looking for a quick solution that will last 25 plus days, this video just might be for you. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you tell us what you think about our toilet bowl cleaner tablets? Who might say no, but no way whatsoever will these being provided to me affect this review, because I'm just here to keep it real. So in the box, you get a whole bunch of these. I think they come in a variety of different sizes as far as quantities, but each one of these is its own individual cleaning tablet. And this is what they look like after you take them out. You leave this on, this little kind of webbed mesh type material, because this dissolves when it hits the toilet bowl. You throw it in the back, so the top of the toilet bowl. You take the top off, you drop it in there, kind of away from everything else, let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then you just go about your business. No pun intended. And then it does its thing, and it will not only start the cleaning process in the top, but then it will, every time it flushes, it will clean the actual visible part of the toilet bowl where all the business is done. Cool part about these are sort of a quote-unquote upgraded design compared to some other items that might be out there, where this lasts in excess of 25 days. So you drop it in there and it does its business for about 25 days. Now, it is advised, keep out of reach of the little ones or even pets. Also, if you were to have little ones or pets, highly suggested to make sure that maybe you have a automatic closing lid, or you're going to ensure that the lid on the toilet does stay closed to prevent anything from going in there and drinking the water. Probably not a good idea. So in this example here, you can see how it's doing the business here. It is has sort of a bluish color to the old water in the tank. And when it's being flushed, this is the cleaning in action, doing its thing, removing all the deposits and pretty much making life a little bit easier, not having to deal with cleaning and scrubbing and all that stuff. It just does it for you when you flush the toilet. Pretty cool, pretty convenient, and having these last upwards of 25 days just means that it's less time that you have to go and kind of replace these, and just the time needed for that, and you kind of make these things last a very, very long time. Hopefully this answers any and all questions you have about these very cool cleaning tablets for the old commode, and we'll talk to you soon.